morning, guys, from beautiful Malaga. Yeah, today we're going on the road, guys, so stay tuned for that. We may go on the beach, you know what I mean? We're going on a little walkabout today. We're going to do a little walkabout, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, guys, bread was up. Breakfast was nice, yeah, man. See? Plate empty, yeah, man. Everybody enjoying the breakfast. Altia is here as well. Enjoying our breakfast. This is that's Altia, the great Altia. Yeah, man. Along with the stars. Yeah, man. This is a part of the group, and this is my lovely wife, guys. 30 years together. Yeah, man, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna give you a tour around the ship. We are in dining room now, enjoying our breakfast. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Yeah, guys, let me show you some of the beautiful Malaga. I'm standing on my balcony at the moment, guys. So later on, I'll be off the ship, going for a little walk. Another. Sun is coming out. So, yeah, guys, making my way off the ship now. Getting up a down way. Tia! Up! That's a lovely cue. So we're getting off at the gangway. Stay tuned, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm out and about. So just going to show you a little what's going on outside. Here I'm off the ship. Ship is all the way over there. You can just see the top of it over there. Yeah, man. Outdoor. Everybody out with the camera. But I see a little horse and cart. Yeah. Yeah, man. I want to get a ride on the horse and cart thing there. We could get a ride off for the horse and cart.
Yeah?
Go check the horse and cart thing. Get the ride and do the and take a few.
Quite a few of it, we probably can go. Did I go on the house into the card? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go on the card. We could go on it.
Yeah, let's go, man. Let's go check it.
We're going to car.
Yeah, let's go check it.
Car. See how much it is. I like to go
So
in the
yeah,
car.
guys, thinking about going on the horse and cart thing over there. So yeah, man, stay tuned. So yeah, man, we're gonna do some horse and cart riding, man. Come on, Tony, get on board. Alex is the captain. Alex is the captain. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go excursion. Stay tuned.
So you guys, yeah man, we're going on a little horse and cart.
You know, see me up on the
Right
horse.
there.
Let me show you the horse.
That's our captain that's
Yes, see, the best them up front there.
for today.
See me for the horse driver, yeah. I see.
Why yay?
See me here in the horse.
Yeah man. This is
Yeah.
the lovely Malaga.
Yeah.
Yeah?
All right, look, me call you back. I don't know, but Tanya them just come. We gone here now. Me call you back.
Sir Alexander.
Hiya, we behind you.
Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Yeah, we're out here.
Me na me ass.
Arts and card. Yeah, man.
Me na we oos.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
oos.
Yeah.
It's proposing.
Huh? Oh, babe.
Look into his eyes. You're going to get memorized.
All right. Them ones out. Candy does what? Eh? Lovely candy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What's this? Yeah. Lovely. So you guys gonna check out the beach. This is it. This is it. Miss Scotty. Yeah, guys, it's dinner time. Check this out, guys. Yeah, we're just celebrating our 30th wedding anniversary. That's my beautiful wife over there. 30 years together. Okay. Why you are you? Oh. So you guys, we have some stars with us. Somebody want to say hello? Here you go. Those are my celebrities, friends. No.
Cheers, friend.
There we go.
Cheers.
That's it. This is it.